The West Covina Service Group is a software organization that's actually part of the City and Police Department of West Covina. And we produce computer-aided dispatch and records management software for police departments in the states of California and Nevada.
The idea of the West Covina Service Group was created back in the 1980s when the detectives realized there was a need to get away from paper and more onto a software solution.
The city saw an opportunity to basically make sure that it always had software that fit its needs. So the software is made up of a number of different modules. The first one that everyone thinks about is computer-aided dispatch.
CAD is the computer-aided dispatch, which allows a dispatcher to take a call and at the same time enter any of the relevant information into the computer so that we can quickly dispatch officers to the scene.
Whether they're reporting a fire, whether they're reporting a car accident, whether they're reporting a burglary, or just that something suspicious is going on in the area, your dispatchers are taking that information, they're able to enter that information into the system, they're able to monitor what the different officers or firemen are doing out in the field, and make sure that the appropriate staff and apparatus are responding to emergencies.
The command overview module allows us to plot all the units and incidents on a map, as well as any 911 calls that come in. It allows any dispatchers or anybody in the police department to see where any of the units are at that time in the city, as well as where any pending or active calls are happening.
The other part of the software is the records management software. And that's once the call moves on from being a call for service and we actually have a case to manage, that all gets done through the records management system. And we have an industry-leading field reporting system that allows your officers, again, to stay out in the field while they're writing their reports.
One of the best modules that we provide is the report writing software solution. The most feedback I get from other officers is so easy to use and so quick to use that they can write police reports quickly and get back to actually doing police work.
The booking module allows the officer or the arresting officer to enter information about the person that we're arresting, as well as maintain that information or reports on it later.
One of the great things about the service group being attached to the police department is that anytime we need to validate something that we're working on or refine it a little bit, it allows us to very quickly and easily get input from an actual working police department. I can literally walk out of my office, walk up one flight of stairs, and I'm standing in the middle of a records department. And this gives me an immediate feedback loop for any software that we're working on.
With sworn officers using the product in the field, we're able to provide the software development team the feedback they need to be able to make immediate changes, which improves the software from day to day.
You're not going to find another software package out there designed for police departments by a police department. And that's really our biggest central advantage, is that we understand the business because we're actually part of the business.